Mahilig ka ba sa modern architecture with European charm? Ito ang place na swak sa'yo. As you can see, Milano is a thriving community. Hindi lang plano, kundi actual development na. You can see the stunning buildings, clean and wide roads, and the lush landscapes that give a refreshing vibe. Watch these buildings. Italian-inspired architecture with warm tones and elegant details. Every corner comes with purpose, from symmetry to natural light and ventilation. Now let's take a quick tour inside the model unit. As you enter, mapapansin mo agad how cozy and functional the space is. Milano units are designed to maximize space para kahit compact, maliwalas at elegant pa rin ang dating. From the floors to the lighting fixtures, lahat ng details are thoughtfully designed to make you feel right at home. Imagine coming home to this kind of space after a long day, relaxing, peaceful, and totally yours. Let's talk about the interiors. The living area is designed for comfort, perfect for your Netflix nights or family bonding. The kitchen has modern finishes with space for your cooking essentials. The bedroom gives you privacy and tranquility, ideal for rest and rejuvenation. And the bathroom, simple yet elegant, with quality fittings that last. Every corner speaks of quality and attention to detail. Hindi siya tinipid because Vista Estates believes in giving lasting value.
First phase and second phase are both residential, and our third phase is allotted for our commercial phases. So doon po natin ina-expect na magkakaroon ng corporate offices, corporate building, corporate parking, as well as the commercial space na meron tayong restaurant, laundry, coffee shops, yan po na. So nandun po.
Milano by Vista Estates is not just a place to live, it's a lifestyle community. Here you'll enjoy amenities designed for leisure and convenience, wide open spaces, landscape gardens, and future plans for lifestyle hubs within the state. Soon, Milano will be part of a bigger state development featuring commercial areas, retail zones, and more residential clusters para hindi mo na kailangang lumayo sa lahat ng kailangan mo. Location-wise, Milano Bacoor is strategically placed, is just a few minutes away from Vista Mall Nomo, Daang Hari Road, and MCX, making travel to Alabang or Metro Manila easy and convenient. Plus, you're surrounded by schools, hospital, and major establishments. It's an ideal home for those who want convenience without sacrificing peace and exclusivity. Bacoor is also one of the fastest growing cities in Cavite, making this property a strong investment choice. Here's the exciting part. Milano offers both ready for occupancy and pre-selling units. Kung gusto mong lumipat agad, we have existing RFO units ready for move-in. Pero kung gusto mo naman ng affordable payment terms, our pre-selling units are perfect for you. You can start with a low monthly down payment and enjoy huge appreciation value as the estate continues to grow. That's the advantage of investing early. Let's be honest, property investment is not just about having a house. It's about building security and legacy. Habang tumataas ang value ng lupa sa Cavite, Milano becomes more valuable too. Imagine a few years from now, what you bought today at pre-selling price could be worth much more. So if you're thinking of where to invest your hard-earned money, why not choose a property that gives beauty, location, and long-term growth? Picture yourself walking home in this peaceful community, hearing your kids play, smelling fresh air, and knowing that everything you work hard for is finally paying off. Milano is not just a property, it's a reward, a symbol of stability, and a step closer to your dream life. You deserve a home that matches your success. So what are you waiting for? Visit us today at Milano by Vista Estates, Bacoor, Cavite. Take a quick site tour and see for yourself. This is not just another condo project, it's an existing growing community where you can start your story. For inquiries or virtual tours, send us a message today. Milano by Vista Estates. Live beautifully, invest wisely.